Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key, and once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off option. Once you do so, it will bring up this window, reboot to safe mode, so let's confirm it by tapping on OK. And once the device boots back up, it will then be in the safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the existing apps that come with the device will function normally. Anything that you have installed yourself will be disabled, and that is so you can troubleshoot your device in this mode. And as you can see, now that we're back up, there's the safe mode watermark, just so you know that you're in this mode. Widgets aren't working, and all the apps that come pre-installed with this device do function normally. Now you'll be able to see which application will not function in safe mode, because it will be monochrome. So basically like the gray and white colors, which will substitute for any kind of app that you would see, would just become monochrome. So anyway, that is how you boot into this mode. And once you're done with it and you want to leave it, all you would need to do is hold the power key and simply click on restart to go back to the normal mode. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.